Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with skin that's prepped and healthy. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply SPF if needed. Next, prime targeted zones, use about 0.5 pump for the T-zone and a thin dab under eyes to smooth texture. For coverage, dot a sheer foundation or tinted moisturizer evenly on forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. Blend outward with a damp sponge or dense brush. Once blended, check in natural light to ensure evenness and conserve product where skin already looks good. Continue by concealing only what needs it. Draw a small triangle under each eye to brighten and spot conceal blemishes with minimal product. Then lightly sculpt using a cool-toned contour or matte bronzer, placing color in the hollows from the ear toward the mouth about 1/3 the face length, and blend thoroughly to avoid lines. Add a cream blush to the apples of the cheeks and sweep upward toward the temple for a natural, lifted effect that reads like a healthy flush rather than painted color. Finish eyes and lips with subtle definition. Brush brows, fill sparse hairs with short hair-like strokes, and set with clear gel. Do not overdraw. For eyes, apply a neutral shadow all over, tightline the upper lash line to enhance lashes, and use one coat of mascara on upper lashes only for a natural lift. Lightly dust translucent powder on the T-zone to control shine and mist a setting spray to meld layers. Troubleshooting tip. If face looks cakey, remove excess powder with a spritz of setting spray and a soft brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.